When it comes to buying land under succession, there are two common scenarios that many Kenyans find themselves in. In the first scenario, you've bought land from the owner, but the owner dies before transferring the title to your name. In the second scenario, you have bought land from the son, daughter, widow, or family members of the deceased person, but they have not done succession. So in both instances, you have bought land still belonging to the deceased person, and the title reads the name of the deceased person. What do you do to transfer that title to your name? So as I shared in the previous episode, the legal position still stands. The land belonging to a deceased person cannot be transferred unless and until succession is undertaken. The sale agreement that you have is still a valid claim over the land, but it doesn't give you valid ownership before succession is undertaken and a transfer is done to your name. So if you have bought land belonging to a deceased person, here are the legal steps you have to undertake to protect your interest and ensure the land is transferred to your name. The first immediate action you have to undertake is to lodge a caution. Lodge a caution at the Ministry of Lands to protect your interest in the land. This will stop the family members from subdividing, transferring, or even selling that land to another party without your knowledge and before the succession process is undertaken and finalized. The second step you have to undertake is to push the family to initiate succession. A caution alone is not enough, and the family has to do succession. But what if the family refuses to undertake succession? You as a purchaser can go to court to file citation proceedings, which will compel the family to initiate succession. But if the family still refuses to initiate succession, then the court will allow you to take up the matter as an interested party, and you will be granted the letters of administration and a confirmed grant for you to transfer the land to your name. But in case the family agrees to initiate succession, then this is the next step you have to do. Apply to court to be recognized as a purchaser. That way, the court will order that your interest be factored in when distributing the estate of the deceased person. So once succession is finalized, then you will be able to have the land transferred to you if you have been recognized as a beneficial purchaser over the interest of the deceased person. Don't buy land belonging to a deceased person before succession is undertaken. It is risky. It has lengthy procedures. You might be watched because, succession is interesting. You might think that this is a rightful beneficiary, but when it goes to court, it might be objected. The other beneficiaries might object, or even maybe they are not legally identified as beneficiaries. So you might end up losing your money because there is no legal guarantee for you if you buy land belonging to a deceased person. But if you still want to buy the land belonging to a deceased person, because many Kenyans like it, because the land is usually cheaper than the market price, and maybe you just want to buy that land. If you really want to do it, make sure that the family has letters of administration and confirmed grant showing how the land or the estate of the deceased person is going to be distributed among the beneficiaries, so that you are buying that land from the rightful beneficiaries. That is it. If you have any questions regarding land buying, succession, or any other legal issues, drop in the comment section or reach out in the DM. I'll be happy to respond to you.